Are you ready to unlock the secret to peak performance and muscle growth without compromising your vegan lifestyle? Creatine is a powerhouse supplement known for boosting athletic performance, muscle growth, and overall health. But did you know that creatine supplements are vegan-friendly and can seamlessly fit into a plant-based diet? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in certain foods and synthesized in the body. It plays a crucial role in producing adenosine triphosphate, ATP, essential for energy during high-intensity exercise. Stored mainly in muscles as creatine phosphate, it aids in muscle recovery and enhances physical performance. Creatine supplements are designed to increase muscle creatine levels, enhancing performance during intense workouts. Scientific research supports creatine's effectiveness in increasing muscle mass and improving exercise performance. Leading health organizations recommend creatine for its safe use and established guidelines for dosages. One of the primary benefits of creatine is its ability to promote muscle hypertrophy when combined with resistance training. Creatine enhances creatine phosphate availability in muscle cells, boosting ATP production during workouts. This leads to greater training volume and intensity, resulting in significant increases in lean body mass. Research shows that creatine users can expect muscle hypertrophy increases of 5% to 15% over several weeks. Creatine also improves athletic performance, particularly during short-duration, high-intensity exercises. It increases creatine phosphate levels in muscles, boosting energy production for higher intensity and longer durations. Athletes using creatine experience improved strength, power output, and faster recovery times. Studies show reduced exercise-induced muscle soreness and inflammation with creatine use. Creatine supplementation also enhances cognitive function, reducing oxidative stress and supporting cognitive processing. Research indicates improvements in memory recall, attention, and problem-solving skills with creatine use. These cognitive benefits make creatine valuable for students, professionals, and aging populations. There are various types of creatine supplements, including creatine monohydrate, ethyl ester, and hydrochloride. Creatine monohydrate is the most studied and effective form, enhancing strength, power output, and muscle recovery. Creatine ethyl ester is marketed for higher absorption rates and lower water retention, though more research is needed. Creatine hydrochloride is popular for its higher solubility and reduced water retention, making it easily digestible. Contrary to myths, most creatine supplements are synthetic and vegan-friendly, produced in laboratories. This makes them suitable for vegans and vegetarians, helping them meet their nutritional needs. Synthetic creatine undergoes rigorous evaluation to ensure efficacy and safety, aligning with vegan principles. Debunking myths: creatine supplements are not derived from animal sources and are ethical for vegans to use. Vegans can benefit from creatine by improving muscle mass, strength, and recovery during high-intensity exercise. The best vegan creatine supplements feature high-quality creatine monohydrate and meet purity and efficacy standards. Incorporate creatine into a vegan diet by consuming 3 to 5 grams daily, ideally with a carbohydrate source for absorption. Stay hydrated and combine creatine with other nutrients like B vitamins and omega-3s for optimal performance.